Thanks everybody for tuning into my channel. Today I am making a freestyle topper hair unit, which is the most popular that I sell because I can make them quickly and easily and have them shipped out in 4 to 6 weeks. I make them out of a lace foundation and then sew single wefts in a circular motion throughout the unit so that it looks very natural. They are easy to install by just clipping on and clipping off, no complicated installation. You can wear them continually or daily. My topper hair units are also very inexpensive. I can make them for you in different hair textures, colors, lengths, and most importantly density, because oftentimes if you have a thin crown, the rest of your hair is probably a little thinner than it was years ago, so you don't want an excessively thick hair unit. My freestyle topper hair units are absolutely perfect for the different diversities of hair loss. This cute little unit is now complete. All I have to do is to add clips and then shampoo, condition, and let air dry and then ship to my customer. Thanks everybody for tuning in. I really appreciate it. I hope that you have enjoyed this video showing how I make a freestyle topper quickly and easily. And don't forget before you leave to subscribe, like, share, tell others, and most of all, hit that notification bell so you will always know when I am working my magic. Take care. I'll see you next time.